Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. Now, there are a lot of videos on this channel about fractions, and we haven't looked at ratios as much or at all until this video. So I want to address that problem today. What is a ratio? Let's start with that. Well, a ratio is basically one number related to another. If you want to think of these as parts, so quite often you use ratios when you're mixing things. For instance, if you have a two-stroke motor, you mix so many parts of oil to so much gasoline or petrol. If you're cooking, it's so many eggs to so much flour. It may not be expressed as weight, it may be expressed as parts, and this is where these come in. So this is a ratio of 4 to 3, and what it says is that in total there are 7 parts here. 4 plus 3, there are seven parts here, and 4 parts of them, or 4/7 of them, are here, and 3/7 of them are here. And it's really about the relationship of whatever this is to whatever this is. But it can be expressed like that. And if you do have to write these as fractions of the whole, it is 4 out of 7 and 3 out of 7. Let's have a look at a slightly more complex one. We've got 4 to 2 to 3. Now, if it were just 4 to 2, we could simplify this, but the 3 means that we can't simplify this. What we have to do is we have to recognize that there are 4 and 2, 6, and 3, 9 parts of something to this ratio. And that we take 4 lots of something, put it with 2 lots of something and 3 lots of something, and that constitutes our whole. So again, to write this as a fraction, it's 4 over 9 to 2 over 9, and I'm going to leave this fraction as it is. I'm not going to simplify it to 3 over 9 so that you can see the relationship, even though that is 1/3. Okay, so this is going to be important when we look at how you allocate things according to a ratio. But right now, for this video, this is a very basic introduction. It is about the relationship of one number to another number. Now, I've got one more ratio here, and we can simplify this, whereas we could not simplify this because of the 3. But 8, 4, and 2 all have common factors, 2. So we can rewrite this as 4 to 2 to 1. And if you were mixing something up in this ratio, and you went and you mixed something up in this ratio, the same actual size, what you'd find is that they were exactly the same. So here we have 8 and 4 is 12, and 2 is 14 parts. 8 over 14 to 4 over 14 to 2 over 14. And if you have a passing knowledge of fractions, you'll understand that you can simplify this to 4 over 7 and 2 over 7 and 1 over 7. And 1, 2, 4, look here, 1, 2, 4. There are in total 7 parts here, there are in total 14 parts here, but this can be simplified, whereas this could not, because these things all have a common factor. These things do not. Okay, thanks very much for watching. That is it until we get into some actual ratio problems. Thanks again, see you next time.